So moving on to step 5, you have created and linked your 3 social media accounts. The next step is going to be to add your social media links to your marketing materials. Basically, the point here is that you want everything to be consistent. You want your social media accounts to be linked pretty much everywhere. You want it to be as easy as possible for any customers or clients or anybody that you have contact with to be able to just click on a link somewhere to start following you on Twitter, see what you're doing on LinkedIn, get to your Facebook page, and so on. The more easy you make it for those customers and clients, the more chance you're going to have that they're actually going to start following you on social media. And it also expands awareness of your business's social media presence and increases your exposure. So, what you're going to do for this assignment is that you are going to start thinking about your Twitter, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, whatever handles or profiles you decided to create, and you are going to show me that they are linked to your different marketing materials. So you do have a document linked for this assignment, so you'll need to click on it to download it and then open it up. And once you have done that, you see that you're basically going to be sending me a couple screenshots. So a screenshot of the profile for your social media account number 1, number 2, number 3, showing that in each of those social media accounts, you are linking to your other social media accounts. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I just opened up my Twitter profile page, and you can see here that I have a link not to my other social media accounts because I don't really use other social media accounts under this username professionally, but I do have a link here to my about.me page, which is something that you might want to check out. Maybe not so much for this assignment, but for later on. So on this page, you will see that there are links to my Twitter account, my Instagram account, Google+, Foursquare, LinkedIn, and my website. So all those accounts are linked from one easy place. Another example, if we look at Hootsuite's Twitter profile, you can see that they have a link here to their blog, which is the other social media account that they use, and then also a link so you can get to their website easily. So you want to make sure that your social media accounts show up, are linked from each other. So what I would need for this assignment is just a screenshot, maybe of this part of the profile here for Twitter, and then the same thing for Facebook or Instagram or whatever other social media platforms you decided to use. You're also going to send me a screenshot of your email signature. So let me show you a quick example of that. Here is my email signature. If you've ever sent me an email and I've replied back, this is what's at the bottom of it. That is set up in Outlook. And if I were using this account to enhance exposure for a brand or a business, in addition to having my email address and the college's website here, this is where I might have something such as my Twitter profile and that kind of thing. So let me show you what that would look like. So you can see that I just typed in my Twitter profile name, and what I would ultimately want to do is actually make this a link so that people can just click on it to go straight to my Twitter profile. And then if I had a Facebook page, I would want that to be linked here as well. So you'll send me a screenshot of your email signature with all of that there. Now, another thing to mention is that if you're creating a brand or business, then you're probably going to have an email address just specifically for that brand or business. So I wouldn't use my college email address, my nargol@clevelandcc.edu, if I am replying to someone about that brand or business. So think about which email account you're using as well. The last thing that you're going to send me a screenshot of is a business card. Now, I am not asking you to buy business cards. However, I would like for you to practice creating a business card that looks good. So what you can do is to create a business card is you can visit a site such as Vistaprint or us.moo.com. Those are two of my favorites, and you can find lots more sites that you might like to create. And you will find that on both of the sites that I have listed, you can actually go through and create a sample business card. And you don't have to actually order it, but you can just go ahead and take a screenshot of it when it is complete. So choose whether, if you're using Vistaprint, which type of business card you want, and you can either choose, the designs that they have, start with your own logo, or create a complete design. And you'll actually go through the process of pretending like you are actually designing this business card so you can use one that you have already created. You can just browse what they've got and just kind of go through, pick out and fill out the business card as if, you're really using it for your brand or business. Take a screenshot of it, and then you'll paste the screenshot in your Word document. When you're finished with that, you will click here to submit it.